welcome to the insight of another renowned consultant of our country. Today we have Mr. Priyank Jain, who has a vast experience of 25 years in the building industry and has worked with the top-notch organizations like MR, Spectral, M3M and Main Harland. So he is at present working as a freelancer, plumbing and firefighting consultant to the various developers in Delhi and NCR. He has been involved with planning, designing, execution of building service systems related to PHE, fire, electrical, HVAC and whatnot. He has been dealing with the commercial, residential, even the townships and industrial projects. So we welcome from behalf of Astral, we welcome Priyank to this another session where we'll have an insight about you. And just to begin, to the main topic, we would like just to know more about yourselves. If you can just let us know, throw some light, something about your backgrounds, about yourselves, about your hobbies, about your field of interest.
Yeah, thanks Vikas for connecting me and giving me an opportunity to come on this kind of a forum. Basically, I am having a civil background in engineering, passed out in year 1993. After passing out, that time the civil scenario is not very much good in the industry. The people think those who doesn't get any field connect with the civil engineering. So after completing, I have decided to go into some specialized field. So I have selected with the plumbing. Then slowly I came into the firefighting. So my journey will be initially 10 years I was working with a good Indian plumbing contractors like DS Gupta, DSA Engineers. They are the top in North India. So I worked with them and slowly learned the practical experience of the field, how to deal with the labor, how to deal with the client, how to deal with the material, what are the materials available. During that course of time, that was a real learning hobby. I was more into the practical experience of the piping system with the material. I was myself preparing shop drawings. So, with the practical imagination of the site, I can prepare a very good drawings. Even at present, the drawing which I produce normally in front of any of the consultants or related to the fire authority, they appreciate that drawing. Even the Gurgaon Fire Authority, the CFO, Mr. Sunil Adlakha, he himself pasted my drawings on his back on the display board to show other consultant or contractor, I need this kind of details, this kind of a clarity in the drawings. Similarly, after that, I slowly, I was worked in Gulf also in one of the projects, which is a time period of around 2 years in the year 2002 to 2004. It's a 7-star. Everybody knows about that hotel in Abu Dhabi. That is Emirates Place Hotel. A very good, rich experience in terms of the quality, in terms of the material specification. But there are so many things. Slowly, like the new plumbing material has come in the year 97, I remember. That was a copper plumbing. So in North India, I was the first guy who has been trained how to join the copper pipes. So I have myself installed a copper plumbing in Coca-Cola corporate office at Udyog Vihar in the year 97, 98. Then in 99, I done the Uday Vilas Udaipur Hotel with 100% copper plumbing. CPVC, even when I was in Commonwealth in the year 2007 to 2011, I have visited Astral factory because they are the first manufacturer who started producing the CPVC pipe in India. So
one thing is there means like you said, you started your career, you have done your civil, and then you have started your career with DS Gupta and DSA Engineering, where you have got all the experience of the sites, like you have mentioned. You were working with the sites, you have come to know about the materials being used in the building industries. So I think initially your few years were totally as a site in charge. You have been taking care of the big projects which we can see, Coca-Cola, DHL, all the big projects names are there. But what made you, come into this consultancy? What made what was the spark, behind it, that your whole thought process changed from the project in charge, the taking care of all the big projects, handling them, to the consultancy that you can guide people what product should be used, how the designing has to be done. So what was that spark?
Spark, I will tell you an incident which was happened when I come back from Gulf. And very short time period, I was working with Sony and company in the year 2004 in the Mega Mall project at Gurgaon. And that project is near on the completion stage. So the fire NOC and the PSC NOC need to be taken, which is still under progress. So during that, I come into contact with Mr. C.P. Vidyadharan, who is the ex-vice president of the DLF, and Mr. N. Vasant, environment consultant. So during the inspection time, they usually come within 2-3 times within a week to check the site, what is the quality and what is the execution stage. So when he seen me, the person how he is working on site, doing everything at his own, he said, CP sir मुझे कॉल बुला करके बुलाया, and he asked me, यार तू डिजाइन में इंटरेस्ट है क्या? Then he said कि तू डिजाइन सीखना चाहता है क्या? मैंने कहा सर मुझे कोई सिखाने वाला ही नहीं मिला. कहता है काम कर, नेक्स्ट वीक से ना वसंत साहब के यहाँ चले जाना, सैलरी इतनी ही मिली है जितनी मिल रही है, सैलरी ज्यादा नहीं मांगूंगा. मैंने कहा ठीक है सर. एंड ड्यूरिंग दोस 3 or 4 years of my journey in the consultancy with Mr. N. Vasant, and those are my literally guru in the industry, I frankly say. मतलब उनसे मैंने सीखा है कि how to deal with the design. Practical तो मुझे experience था ही, on paper, on drawing, how to deal with the client. So during working with environment, at one particular time, I was dealing with around 13-14 projects of DLF. Half of the cyber city is being designed by Mr. Vasant, and under his guidance, I have designed.
So you totally went into the designing.
Yes. After designing, having experience, I worked with Spectral. I have done 2-3 hotels in the Aero City, like Pullman Hotel I have done. And one of the hotel that the person who has expired just now, Ankur Bhatia's hotel, Bird Group. I have done their hotel. So slowly the things, and one of the hotel in Hyderabad I have done in Spectral. So hotel experience or designing. Installation I already had. So hotel I come to know, commercial I come to know. Then slowly the things are changing ki Mr. Vasant, DLF got tied up with WSP. So Vasant sir his work is getting stopped by the DLF. So his fees and everything got stuck. Vidya sir says me, why can't you join DLF? I said, yes, okay, let me join. So I was there for a DLF, very small time of a period, because my thinking is to do a challenging project.
True.
Immediately after a year or a half after DLF, I got the call from MRP, would you be interested in joining for a Commonwealth? मैंने कहा यार it's really a challenging, मुझे यही करना है. And God knows, the day I have given the interview and third day I have joined that. third day, in between appointment letter, everything is done. So immediately on that project, I have accommodated 600 odd plumbers in one particular project, which I think in India in history never been happened. In one particular project, we have
never it
600 plumbers. No, so because the quantity is huge. So this is what the thinking is. Then slowly I move after MR, I move into basically you can say a developer side, where I have to look after design as well as execution part both.
Okay.
So unless and until you know the execution, you know the design, you can't handle the consultant. Because nowadays the industry is going through a very bad phase, I can say. If you see in the year 2000, till the year 2012-13, the consultants are getting a very good fees. But now, number of consultants have increased haywire. Everybody is a consultant. Those who know only a name of pipe is a consultant.
Yeah.
Nobody has the technicality of the pipe.
But sir,
anything they don't know.
प्रियांक जी, आप वैसे भी मार्केट में जाने जाते हैं फॉर सम चैलेंजिंग जॉब्स एंड चैलेंजिंग डिजाइन्स, और आपने ये जो 25 साल का जो सफर जो आपने तय किया, यू हैव विटनेस्ड कि कितने सारे जो पाइपिंग है उसमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए. एज जैसे आपने बोला कि मेटल पाइपिंग सिस्टम्स था, फिर सीपीवीसी आया, फिर ड्रेनेज के अंदर बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो भी सिस्टम्स मार्केट में आए हैं, हैव दैट हेल्प द सोसाइटी, या आपको क्या लगता है कि और क्या चेंजेस आने चाहिए विच कैन रियली ब्रिंग योर क्लाइंट्स सम इनोवेशंस, सम इन द पाइपिंग इंडस्ट्रीज?
Sir, देखिए, the phase which since India is a developing country and everything is coming in a developing way. Previously, if you say a water supply pipe, we started off with the GI, then copper, then PPR, then CBSE. Slowly, the things are coming. Things are improving day by day. Only thing we have to educate our engineers and contractor in a good manner. Unless and until, because होता क्या है कि हम डेवलपर को दोष देते हैं कि क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क ठीक नहीं हुआ. डेवलपर ने केवल पैसा खर्च करना है. इफ प्रेजेंटली द डेवलपर विच आई एम वर्किंग, they can easily go and install UPVC pipe for a drainage. But when I told him this is a UPVC, these are the drawbacks. You don't have a higher rating of this material. If you want, we can go. And as well as there is a CI, and this is the thing. When you educate in such a way, then the vendor is open to go to expend his money in a better way. होता क्या है कि हम डेवलपर को एजुकेट नहीं कर रहे. डेवलपर ने कहा कॉस्ट कटिंग, पर ये नहीं, ये कर रहे. Since we don't know, we only know about कि पैसा काम है.
बराबर.
तो हमें अपने आप को एजुकेट करना पड़ेगा. अगर हमारे पास एजुकेट उस लेवल का नहीं होगा तो हम सामने वाले को, चाहे वो हाउस ओनर हो, इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस ओनर हो, कोई डेवलपर हो, कोई होटेलियर हो, उसको हम एजुकेट नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और इनोवेशन की जो बात है वो भी तभी आएगी जब हम खुद इनिशिएटिव लेंगे. आधे से ज्यादा कंसल्टेंट का 90% केसेस में ये चल रहा है, अरे यार जीआई है ना, लगा ले. Nobody is bothering about if the building height is, let's say, 15 floors. They can easily go with CPVC. If the shafts are internal, they can easily go with CPVC. No, the changing shaft exposed to sky, 30 floor building, and there is CPVC or PVC in the water supply. They don't know you have to give the expansion loop. They have to give the PRVs. And once you install the PRVs, you need to have access which they don't fight with the architect, which they don't fight with the architect. So these are the small things. Unless and until the people are educated from themselves, they never come to conclusion in a good industry.
तो आई थिंक ये आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया कि हमको ये एजुकेशन के ऊपर बहुत तवज्जो देना पड़ेगा, बहुत अच्छा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू एजुकेट एट ईच एंड एवरी लेवल्स, चाहे वो बिल्डर्स हो या कुछ कंसल्टेंट जो बहुत पुराने कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, दे आर रिलक्टेंट टू चेंज. You know, if we explain them that this is a new technology, what is the advantage over the existing products, so definitely they will also love to innovate. But I think आपका जो मुद्दा था कि ये बहुत सही बोला आपने कि हमको एजुकेशन के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, so that वो प्रोडक्ट कितना भी अच्छा हो, लेकिन अगर उसको प्रॉपर से एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया जाएगा, इंस्टॉल नहीं किया जाएगा, तो बदनामी प्रोडक्ट की हो. So I think that's a.
So one more thing I want to, because one more point I would like to add, like in the industry which I am seeing at present, everybody after completing his engineer just go and directly start designing. That should not be happen.
That should not happen.
That is a major drawback. वो सब कुछ पेपर पे ही सीख रहा है, practically he is scared. It's happened with me a number of times. लोगों को फिटिंग का ही नहीं पता है कि ये भी आती है. Slab. Today I am just going through a tender of one of the upcoming project, and the tender is from the very, you can say, a reputed consultant of North India or India, and the mistakes are here. There is no margin in a slab, and consultant is proposing a P-trap.
Okay.
So these are the basic things.
Yeah.
And even I said ki use CI hubblers. He said okay. Even in the Sunken we about CI hubblers.
So I think application wise still.
So these are the things.
एप्लीकेशन वाइज प्रेम जी आपकी बात सही है कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस. लोगों को ये समझना पड़ेगा कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ प्रॉपर फिट होती है. यू कैन नॉट गो कट एंड पेस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि हाँ भाई ये प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे चल रहा है तो इसमें भी यही डाल. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन एप्लीकेशंस, लाइक यू सेड, सस्पेंडेड है कि शार्प्स है कि संक है. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट प्रोडक्ट फिट बेटर देयर. सो वी फुल्ली एग्री विद यू. तो अभी आप सुन रहे थे हमारे साथ प्रियांक जैन जी को, जिन्होंने अपने पूरे 25 साल के करियर में क्या क्या चीजें के इम्प्रूवमेंट करी, क्या क्या प्लम्बिंग और डिजाइन को लेके वो कैसे आगे गए. तो ये बातें अभी खत्म नहीं होती है, हमको यहाँ पे रुकना पड़ेगा. जिसका आप आगे का भाग जो देख सकते हैं एक नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में, जिसमें हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे प्रियांक जैन के साथ कुछ और बात.